Hi SD fans and welcome back. In this video I'm going to do a little add-on to my series on cleaning and looking after your core equipment. After routine cleaning for regulators and BCDs, we did dry suits, and so following on from that I'll be offering some hints on the best ways to store your dry suit. And while I'm at it, your wetsuits as well. For those here for the first time, my name's Mark, I'm the Editor-in-Chief of the Scuba Diver media brand, and welcome to the Scuba Diver YouTube channel. Remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos, and ring that bell so you get notification of the latest releases. Don't forget you can check out below how you can get a free digital subscription to any of our magazines. Scuba Diver UK, Scuba Diver Australia and New Zealand, and Scuba Diver Destinations, which is our US and Canada edition. And if you want to get your hands on a print version, we've got a special subscription deal for our YouTube followers. Now, let's dive into that video. So, when I'm ready to pack up my dry suit, I will lay it out like this, and then I start at the feet end and I'll just very lightly roll it. So I don't do it too tight, I'll just gently roll it. I do it with the zip done up. Now I know some people will leave the zips open, but I've always done it regardless of whether it's a plastic zip or whether it is a metal zip. I will always do it zipped up. I just think it makes them stronger. But everyone to their own, but that's my way of doing it. So keep rolling. So you get into a nice loose ball like that. And then I put the arms in. So you get a nice little parcel. Then if you're putting it into its bag, we're all good. Just to slot it in like that. Now what I tend to do is if I am putting it into its bag to store, which is how it normally is to be fair, is I will leave it like that with the bag just slightly open, let a little bit of air circulate. Now it's fully dry before I put it in there, but I always just find that leaving it open like that, if there's any residual damp or anything, I just find it better. Now if you've got the space, then you're better off actually, instead of just putting it into a bag, hanging it up. Now we've said before, these type of hangers, which are the ones where you slide the boots in and then it hangs. So if you've got space and you can hang it up from one of them, fantastic. If you haven't got room to use that, but you've got a normal hanger, then you can get, if you can get the largest normal hanger that you can get and wrap a towel around it so that it makes it around about this sort of thick across the shoulders, and then put your dry suit in as you'd hang up a normal jacket or something, you won't get any marks into the shoulders then, but you can hang it up safely. But again, you need the space. Not everyone's got that room in their garage, so I will always pack it into here, and I've never had any problems. Right, so that's dry suits. Let's move on to wetsuit. I've got my wife's wetsuit here, her 5mm, but this is the same technique I use regardless of whether it's a 3mm, a 5mm, a 7mm semi-dry, whatever. So very similar to the dry suit, in that I will not fold it, because if you fold it, you can sometimes, you fold it like this, you can sometimes get areas of neoprene that get crushed, and then you will get cold lines of cold across where the neoprenes become too crushed. So what I tend to do, again, is it's just very loosely roll it. And again, arms over at the end. So then you end up with like a nice little parcel. And then I have one hold all that I keep all our wetsuits in. So they all just basically pile into there. And then depending on where we're going and what temperature we're going to be in, we can take our 3mm or our 5mm. Again, if you've got room, hang them up. Again, a padded hanger is a good idea. So just, again, get a normal hanger, wrap a towel around or something, and then you can hang it up as normal, and it will not cause any problem under the shoulders and stuff here. But depends how much room you've got. I've folded mine up the entire time I've been diving, and I've never had a problem where I've got them in storage. Main thing is, make sure they're fully dry before you put them away. What are some of your hints and advice for storing your dry suit and wetsuit? Any neat tricks to pass on to your fellow divers? Leave your comments below. And if you have a question, fire away, because if we can't answer it, maybe someone in our community will be able to. Remember, If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget you can grab a free digital magazine subscription in the description below. As always, stay safe. And if you're heading out on a dive, enjoy.